In this video, I'll guide you through how to update PHP on your Ionos hosting account. Keeping your PHP version up to date is important for security, performance, and compatibility with the latest versions of content management systems like WordPress. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along even if you're not very technical. First, sign into your Ionos control panel. This is your main dashboard where you manage your hosting, domains, and other services. Once you're logged in, look for the main navigation menu at the top or side of the screen. From here, you'll need to navigate to the hosting section. Click on Menu, then select Hosting. This is where all of your web hosting settings live, including your PHP configuration. If you manage multiple services with Ionos, make sure you're in the correct hosting package that contains the website you want to update. After you've opened the hosting area, look for the section related to PHP. You should see a tile, panel, or card labeled PHP. On that PHP tile, click Open. This will take you directly into the PHP settings page where you can choose which version your website will use. On the PHP settings page, you'll see a list of your domains associated with this hosting account. Each domain can be configured individually, which is useful if you run several websites that might require different PHP versions. Find the domain name for the website you want to update. Take a moment to double check that you're selecting the correct domain, especially if you host multiple sites. Click on the domain name you want to update. This will open the specific PHP configuration options for that domain. Here, you'll be able to change which PHP version is active. Now it's time to choose the PHP version. You'll typically see at least two options, PHP 8.4, which is the stable standard version recommended for most users, and PHP 8.5, which is the latest release. If you want maximum stability and compatibility with most plugins and themes, PHP 8.4 is usually the safest choice. If you want to take advantage of the newest features and your applications are confirmed to support it, you can choose PHP 8.5. Select the version that best fits your needs by clicking on it. Before you finalize the change, it's a good idea to make sure your website, software, themes, and plugins are updated to their latest versions, and if possible, tested with the PHP version you're choosing. This can help prevent unexpected errors after the upgrade. Once you've selected your preferred PHP version, look for the option to save or apply your changes. Click Save. The system may take a short moment to update the PHP version for that domain. In most cases, the change is applied fairly quickly, but allow a minute or two before testing your site. After saving, visit your website in a new browser tab and click through a few pages to make sure everything is working as expected. If your site loads correctly and behaves normally, your PHP update was successful. That's all you need to do to update PHP on your Ionos hosting. Access the control panel, go to Hosting, open the PHP settings, select your domain, choose the PHP version, and save your changes.